Hey guys, we are going over 1.03 example 4. So we're going to just talk about what relationships we can assess from this picture. So I'm going to tell you that first of all, line AK is congruent to line, this is writing terrible, sorry, line EF. So we know these are all equal, those two are equal. So this little square tells us this is a right angle, so that measures 90 degrees. So let's look at this first line. CB, so all of these lines are parallel to each other. The ones in yellow, we'll mark the ones in pink that are perpendicular. The ones that are going horizontally, since that line's going vertically, those are the perpendicular pairs. Also, since this angle is perpendicular, these are all perpendicular. It means those angles are equal. They're all right angles. And also, the ones that are on the other side are also perpendicular, also measure 90 degrees, also all congruent to each other. So those are all the angle pairs in this picture, all the things you can assess, just given a couple of bits of information.